Hey everybody, Sam here at Rathbone Sales, doing a little walk around with you on this 2705E tractor. This is a 50 horsepower machine, 50 engine horsepower, a little over 44 PTO horsepower. Gives you plenty of lifting capacity, plenty of power to run a 6, maybe a 7-foot mower, 8-foot rear blade. And this particular machine has the one remote valve there from the factory equipped, and these great telescoping rear lift arms. Get close to the implement, these pull out, then you can hook up, back up, and they'll go back in. Drawbar tucked in down there. These are adjustable weights, adjustable wheels. If you need a little bit more width, you can adjust them. So this is a 4-wheel drive unit. It's got the power shuttle transmission, 8 forward, 8 reverse gears. So you got high and low, 1 through 4, both forward and reverse. Now over here, you see your rear differential lock. This here controls the rated drop speed on your implements in the back, so you have something real heavy, you don't want it to drop fast. You can dial that down so it'll drop nice and slow for you. 4-wheel drive control here. So now over here you have your rear lift arm controls there with the stopping points, and that's for your rear remote valve. And you can see here there's room for up to 2 more of those. And then here's your controls for your L135E loader. We've got ground level fueling, no more spilling diesel everywhere. This 2700E series, they call it the Tractor of Steel. You got an all steel 1-piece metal hood. You got a steel operator platform. Steel rear fenders. Hence the Tractor of Steel. If you're in the market for a 50 horsepower tractor, now's a really good time to buy. This is a 2019 model, and we've got it at a 5% discount through the end of March. Give us a call down here at Rathbone Sales.